reckless driver led California Highway Patrol officers on a high-speed chase through Orange and Los Angeles counties on Wednesday evening, September 17, 2025.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining us on the web. This is Gil Levis in Sky 5, along with my pilot, Jim Pollard. We are over a high-speed chase that started in Orange County at the 91 freeway westbound and took the 5 freeway northbound, got into the East LA interchange, took the 10 westbound. That's where we're at now in LA, where you're westbound at well, it was 100 miles an hour, over 100 miles an hour. It slowed down a little bit due to some heavier traffic here, but CHP, not LAPD. CHP in pursuit of this vehicle, wanted for wrong way driving. So again, the driver here in this vehicle driving at a high rate of speed, fortunately going the right way.
The driver, a Lincoln MKZ sedan, was initially wanted for driving against traffic. The chase began in Fullerton, Orange County, before extending into Los Angeles County. The driver reportedly exceeded speeds of more than 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, at times, causing dangerous collisions with other vehicles.
Now, but the airship overhead lighting it up with the night sunlight, and this guy's on a mission to get away. We got heavier traffic up ahead as we approach the 405 interchange. That's not for several miles at least, but the traffic's starting to get a little bit heavier up ahead of the pursuit here. La Brea, he's passing La Brea on the 10 freeway westbound. Westbound 10 through Washington, speeds back up to about 80. Hard on the brakes, coming out wide here for a look at the traffic ahead of him. And it's moderate for sure, moderate traffic. CHP right there behind the guy. Again, a wrong way driver was the initial one on this. Started in Orange County. We first learned about it around the 91 freeway. We took the 5 northbound all the way to the East LA interchange and then took the 10 westbound. So we'll see which direction the driver goes next. He's got the 405 freeway, unless he bails out on a surface street, but it looks like, at least for now, he's sticking with the freeway. This is 10 West at National. So speeds are fluctuating due to the traffic here. It's not super heavy, but it is moderate, I'd say. And now not too far from the 405 freeway, so he'll have a choice. He'll have options here to go west on the 10 into Santa Monica, or go north or south on the 405 freeway.
The driver struck Interstates 91 and 5 before transferring to Interstates 10 and 405, where the California Highway Patrol was in close pursuit.
80, 90 miles, approaching 90 miles an hour. Speeds are fluctuating again, and we'll likely see as we come quickly here to the interchange, the 405 and the 10. He's staying in that lane. If he stays in that lane, he's committed to the 10 west into Santa Monica. But here he goes over across lane, so he might be doing the 405. If he does 405 south, that'll put him in a trajectory back towards Orange County. But we'll see. I think he's missed the off-ramp there. And might be, let me come out a little wider. It looks like he's going to be, nope, he's going to take the 405. It's 405 northbound. Does not do the southbound. That would take him back to Orange County. So he's northbound. That's going to take him up into the San Fernando Valley if he stays on the freeway. Tapping his brakes now. If the 10 was heavier traffic, this definitely is a lot heavier traffic than the 10. Still moving freeway speeds, but he's gonna encounter a lot more traffic here on the 405 North. Pursuit slowing down here as we're going up the Sepulveda Pass, or starting to anyways, getting close to, and you see the traffic is a lot slower. Right down the middle of the freeway. Much slower. All the way over, you might be getting off. He is exiting the freeway here. This is Wilshire Boulevard. And he'll come to the off-ramp here. He's gonna have some traffic up ahead. There's a car right in front of him. He's gonna be committed to a westbound Wilshire. We'll see if they try a pit maneuver here. He's got a vehicle in front of him. They could try it here, maybe. The guy pulled over, that's good. And the driver continuing slow here, though. And he's going to make a left-hand pocket, or might be going through the red light. So through the red light, under the 405, CHP right on his tail. Coming back out, not going to take the freeway back south. Well, hang on, let's see here. That's going to take him off, not on the freeway, but on staying on surface streets. This driver may not know where he's going. He's Eisenhower Avenue, westbound still. That's the LA County Sheriff's helicopter overhead providing the night sunlight for the CHP. On the dirt, he's going to end it here onto the dirt next to a building. And nowhere to go except backwards, but we don't want him to do that. CHP doing a felony stop, guns drawn, and they're going to be ordering the driver to come out. We'll see if he does come out. Nobody out.
The driver exited the vehicle near Wilshire and Sepulveda Boulevards and briefly drove on surface roads before finally stopping in a dirt lot near MacArthur and Gorham Streets. Armed officers quickly surrounded him and ordered him to exit the vehicle with his hands up. The driver surrendered and was taken into custody at the scene.